Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will learn about the cost price and selling price. So, CP stands for the cost price. Cost price whenever we bought something or the price in which the article has been bought, and the selling price, that is SP, in which the price in which the article has been sold. जिस प्राइस में सेल होता है दैट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस, और कोई भी आर्टिकल जिस प्राइस में बाय करते हैं दैट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस. तो वेन एवर द सेलिंग प्राइस is greater than the cost price, there is a profit. So the profit formula is selling price minus cost price, and whenever the cost price is greater than the selling price, there is always be a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is the cost price minus selling price. So let's see the example here. So the toy bought for rupees 72 and sold at rupees 80. So the cost price is equal to rupees 72 and the selling price is equal to rupees 80. Since the cost price here, the selling price is greater than the cost price, so there is a profit. So we have to find the profit here. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 80 minus 72, that is equal to rupees 8. So rupees 8 is a profit. Similarly, in this example, the t-shirt bought for rupees 120, this is the cost price, and sell for rupees 100. So here the cost price is rupees 120 and the selling price is equal to rupees 100. So here the cost price is greater than selling price. So here since the cost price is greater than the selling price, so there is a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is equal to 120 minus 100. So this is equal to rupees 20. So the loss is of rupees 20 here. Now after calculating the profit and loss, we have to find the profit percent and loss percent. So we have already found the profit. So for profit percent, there is a formula. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Okay, so here just substitute the value. So profit is rupees 8. So profit of rupees 8 upon cost price is 72. So 72 into 100. So 8 1 ja 8 9 ja 72. So the profit percent is 100 upon 9%. This improper fraction can be written in a mixed form, that is 11 whole 1 upon 9%. This is the answer. Similarly for loss. So whenever you are getting the loss, and the loss percent can be calculated, same formula, but only profit is changed to loss. So cost price loss upon cost price into 100. Just substitute the value. The loss is of rupees 20 and the cost price here is 120. 120 into 100. So 0 0 get cut. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. 2 5 ja 10. 50. So the loss percent is 50 upon 3. This can be written in mixed form, that is 16 whole 2 upon 3%. This is the answer. Now in this example, if the profit or the loss percent is given and the cost price is given, and we have to find the selling price. So in this example, the loss percent is given and the cost price is given, and we have to find the selling price. So we can use the formula. So for if you want to find the selling price, if the profit percent is given, the formula for that is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price. And if the loss is given, then we can use that selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price. So in this question they have given the cost price and the loss percent, so we use this formula. Okay, so what is the selling price here? So selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent, that is the 10, upon 100 into cost price, that is 120. So this is equal to 90 upon 100 into 120. So both the zeros were cut, and 12 into 9 is equal to rupees 108. So this is the selling price we can find directly, and this is the answer. So hope you will understood about the selling price and the cost price and how to solve the different types of problem. Thank you.